Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how we can download and install Maven in any of the Windows system. So we can have any version of Windows. So for that, the very first step is that the Java should be installed in our system because Maven uses Java. So make sure that the Java is not, make sure that Java is already installed. And if it is not installed, then please install it first and set the path for Java. I already have a video for Java setup, so you can go and watch that. I'll provide the link. Okay, now moving forward, let's download Maven first. Download Maven, right? Okay. So once we enter, so here is the first link, download Apache Maven. So we will go on this particular link, and it is basically the official page of Apache Maven. Okay, so let's see what are the requirements. So the Java development kit is required. Memory, there's no minimum requirement, so don't worry about that. Disk space, so this is also very minimum, so no need to worry about this. Operating system, no minimum requirement, so we can have any operating system. Okay, now coming to the download section. So you can see there are four, right? Binary tar, binary zip, source tar, source zip. So the most widely used is the binary zip archive. So I'll go with this one only. I'll click on it and it will start downloading. So I have clicked on it, and as you can see, the download is complete, I believe. So let's click on this. Okay, it's still in progress. So let's wait. Let's see if it is just showing as done, but it should have. Okay, let's go to download folders. And as you can see, this is downloaded, right? So yeah, so this is downloaded. So what we will do is we will first extract it here. We will go to extract all, and it is asking where you want this to be extracted. Let's do extract. Okay, so as you can see, here we have Apache Maven, right? Okay, so what we will do is we will first go inside this and we will copy this particular folder, Apache Maven, right? So I'm just copying it. So this is the copy option, and I will go in C drive, and here you can paste anywhere, but I would suggest to paste it inside program files. So paste it here. Okay, it needs administrator permission. Continue. You can paste it outside program files as well, so that does not matter at all, right? Okay, so the next step is to set the path for this, right? So what we will do is we will go inside this, we will go inside bean. So there are basically two things. We need to set up the maven home, and also we need to set up the path of the bin directory. Okay, I'll tell you the difference between these two. So I'll copy this path, I'll copy this, and here I will search environment, right? Once you search, you will see this option. I will click on it. I will go to environment variables and make sure that you are setting all these in system variables because it will make sure that this is available for all the users in your system. So I always prefer system variables. Okay, so there is an option path, right? So just edit this and add a new entry. and just paste that here. Okay, this is done, right? Now click on OK. Okay, so the path is set. Now we also need to set up the maven home. So click on new. Make sure you type in this particular way only. Now, what will be the value for this? So for that, so this is going to be the value for maven home, the path till here. So just I'm copying it and I will paste it here. Okay. So then I will click OK. So the maven is set for us, right? So now we can click on OK. OK. Now we will go to CMD or command prompt. Now we will do MVN hyphen hyphen version. So as you can see that it is showing. So it means that maven is set. So now you can start using it. Also, I was talking about why we use maven home and also we use path. So if we are not setting maven home, then also it will work. But the thing is that there are some third-party tools which actually search for maven home variables, maven home variable. So we need to set that as well. So, but there's like that it's not necessary that you need to set that as well. It's totally optional. But yeah, I would suggest that you guys also set that maven home as well. So yeah, so it is working fine now, as you can see. So yeah, thank you, and please do not forget to like, subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much, guys.